Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the 10th video in the series, and today we got CAPRI 3/8 drive sockets. We got two sets, the metric and the SAE 6-point, and look them over. They come in these little plastic things here, and it's actually stamped into the socket. None of that laser etch stuff. Still the way it should be. And they really look nice. The metric is a 15 piece, 8 to 22. The standard is 12 piece, 5/16 through 1 inch. They look good. I'm happy to get them. See how they do. They come in the little plastic things. The little plastic covers. In the box it works, that's fine, because they're not magnetic or anything, but to actually take them out on the jobs at work, I'll probably use these. I might just put them on these and leave them there and do away with that, but I ain't decided. But on days that I put them in my work bag at work, I'll have to swap them over, because those will be everywhere. Maybe I'll just go ahead and swap them over. Alright, so that's video number 10. Let's see, price. Okay. The standard was $29.99. The metric was $34.99. And shipping was free for both. And these I got off Amazon instead of CAPRI, I think. Alright. So there we go, and I'll let you know how they work. Thanks for watching.